Have you ever taken a class that didn't change how you think, but kind of change who you are? Hey, I'm Tzu-Yu. So over the last 2 years in AP Capstone program, I went from being unsure about research to actually believing that I can make a difference. When I first walked into AP seminar, it was the most advanced English class I'd ever taken. And the readings felt intense, the assignments were no joke, and honestly, I wasn't sure if I would keep up with my colleagues. But pretty soon, I realized that this class wasn't like anything I've done before. It wasn't just about grammar or about test preparations, it's about ideas. We explored what we were actually interested in. We debated, discussed, and challenged each other in Socratic seminars. And for the first time, I felt like my own curiosity was driving my learning. One case study from seminar really stuck with me, about how Singapore, even though it's 50 times smaller than Taiwan, boosts its solar power capacity by more than 290%. So that tiny shift had a massive impact on their transportation and energy system. It showed me how powerful clean technology can be in shaping a whole society. So that spark of interest carried over into AP research. At first, I set out to find the most efficient hydrogen fuel engine, and I did it, which is the Airbus zero-emission hydrogen prototype, which was incredible. But just when I thought I had my topic all set, Mr. Bowden reminded us that we had to add something original. That word, gap, honestly stressed me out. I kept wondering, how can a high schooler like me contribute anything new to something as big as hydrogen fuel? But actually, that challenge was exactly what I needed. Instead of giving up, I zoomed out of the box, from engines to the whole system, on how hydrogen is made, the money it costs, and its environmental trade-offs. I dug into carbon and capture storage and realized how deeply technology and sustainability are connected. That's when it clicked. Research isn't about having all the answers. It's about willing to keep asking questions, especially when things get tough. And that's a mindset that I'll carry with me for the entire future. As I get ready for the future in bioengineering and engineering in general, I know I'm bringing everything AP Capstone gave me. The confidence to explore, to question, and to contribute. So, what started with fear ended up in clarity. For me, this wasn't just a class. It was a turning point, a reminder that when you stay curious, you can actually make an impact and make a contribution to the society. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Tzu-Yu, and that was my journey from curiosity to contribution in my AP Capstone. Thank you.